Hey there, it's another YourBirminghamHome.com listing. I'm Joseph Daley, and today we're showcasing our newest listing in the community of Laurel Woods in Helena, Alabama. Behind me is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, fully updated with granite bathrooms, even quartz in the kitchen. The perfect spot to bring all your friends on a Friday night and your own private retreat on the back patio for every other night of the week. Let's take a look inside. If you like what you saw today and would like more information or want to even schedule your own private showing, head on over to YourBirminghamHome.com today.